Hi guys, I just want to do a quick video on Flipsky pulleys, motor pulleys. I don't recommend them anymore because the grub screws are like literally tiny. What happened was my belt position was off, so I was going to move it over. But one of the grub screws got stuck. Alright, I used Loctite, orange Loctite, but it shouldn't get stuck. But the problem is the design. Because the grub screws are so small, I'm literally using this guy here, the smallest guy. So with using this small guy, you can only really get stripped, and that sucks. Luckily, I was able to pull it out, and I got some of the screws off, but it got basically, yeah, it's a bad design. So here's another pulley I got. It's got much bigger grub screws. So if you want to actually move your pulley, motor pulley later, you should be able to take it out easily. So this is much better design. I would avoid using this. This is like a permanent solution. Just the grub screws are too small, and while taking it out, you might get your pulley stuck because the grub screws are so small. It's just not worth it. Just a quick video. Don't use the Flipsky pulleys. All right. I mean, I love the Flipsky stuff, but the pulleys are just bad design. The grub screws are way too small. And also the motor, the Flipsky, the keys, they don't fit the motor. They came all defected. So I hope Flipsky fixes that in this issue. This is a design issue that's going to cause a ton of headache when they can just make the grub screws a little bigger. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and switch to these so I don't have those problems.